Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given 4 consecutive numbers, so sum is equal to 78, and thus we have to find the following numbers. So let the numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and finally x plus 3. We have assumed the number in this way because if we find out the difference between any two consecutive numbers, then it's coming out to be equals 1, and we know that the difference between any two consecutive numbers is equals 1, so our assumption is absolutely correct. So for example, if we want to find the difference between third number and second number, then it will be equals 1. Again, if we want to find the difference between the last number and the third number, then it is again equals 1. So our assumption is absolutely correct. Now the statement or the condition given in the question is that the sum of the numbers is 78. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 will be equal 78. So there are 4x. So 4x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 will give us 6, which is equal to 78. Shift 6 to the right hand side, so it will be 78 minus of 6, which is equal to 72. So 4x will be equal to 72, x will be equal to 72 upon 4. 4 will cancel out 72 and will produce 18, right? Therefore x equals 18, x plus 1 will be equals 19, x plus 2 equals 20, and finally this is 20, right? And finally x plus 3 will be equals 21. Therefore required numbers are 18, 19, 20 and 21. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you.